How to create AI videos using Kling AI. First, open your web browser and go to kling.com. Then sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Generate and then Video Generation, depending on the version you're using. Next, choose Text to Video if you want to generate a video from a text prompt. You can also choose Image to Video if you'd like to animate an existing image. Type a detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. For example, type a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, cinematic lighting, and smooth camera movement. If you're using image to video, upload your image before continuing. Now, choose your preferred video model, aspect ratio, video duration, and quality settings, if these options are available. Click the Generate button and wait a few moments while Kling AI creates your video. Once the video is ready, preview it to check the results. If you'd like to make changes, edit your prompt or settings and generate another version. Finally, click the Download button to save the video to your computer, or use the Share option if you'd like to send it directly to others. That's it. You've successfully created an AI video using Kling AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, content creation tips, and easy tech guides.